first video app is TubeMate, and this is the app which allows you to download any YouTube video for free. Let me show you. This song. If you want to download this song, just click on this button. After this will show you the options available. Now click on which quality do you want. Like I am downloading HD quality, and after then you can click on the red button to download. You can see the downloading has started. You can download this app from the link in the description because it's not available on the Play Store.